Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. Guys, when your AC system is acting up and you have been told it cannot be repaired, do not take no for any answer unless you hear it from us. Our standing team has an amazing reputation from performing a reliable air condition repair in the West Palm Beach FL area when those other guys have thrown in the towel. Still, do not wait until your system is releasing its last gasps of breath to call us. While we understand that there never seems to be enough time in your busy schedule to reach out to us and schedule a repair, ignoring and ignoring a minor problem that the needs our expert AC repair skills in the West Palm Beach FL area can result in desert. That because those who little problems have a funny ways of spiraling problems have a funny ways out of the control into the major and more expensive problems when left to their own devices. Faulty systems are costly systems. Here another problem: a faulty system is a inefficient efficient system. When your system is not repaired, is need to work overtime to keep your home cool, which also means your monthly agency costs will claimed. The team at Air We Go to has the express and tools to fix those little problem, protection your system from burnout and keeping your energy cost lower. Here are some signs your system might need our trusted repair service. Your home is no longer at comfortably cool as it was. Warm air is coming out of your EV vents. Your system is cycling on off the frequently. Some rooms are cold, others are warm or stuffy. Your system is making strange noises. You notice foul odors coming from your AC. Water is dripping from your outside until our fully licensed techniques and the experiences friendly choose your needs for reliable, affordable AC repair as the West Plains Village FL and the scroll downing communities. We have seen it all and fixed to it all. Plus, we are available 24/7 for your repairs needs. However, we have yet to seen an air conditioning system that does not need to be replaced some points. So we want you to know that we are the dependable team for AC replacement